Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I am going to show you on how to watch reels in high quality in Instagram. So first is you have to make sure that you are connected to a reliable internet connection. So just go to your Wi-Fi settings and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So that is one of the thing that you have to consider to access the high quality videos on Instagram. So now just go to your Instagram application. Right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen, just click on your profile and click on settings and privacy, and you'd be directed to this section. Now just go to the data usage and media quality. So just click on it and then make sure to toggle the switch off right here at the top right hand corner of your screen. So the data saver, so you have to switch this off. And for the upload at highest quality, you have to make sure that you have toggle the switch on right here. So whenever you watch videos or reels on Instagram or even uploading your own video, you have the highest or the best quality on Instagram. So let's try to go to a reel section and try to view some of the videos. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.